Hey, I'm Paul from No Nonsense Cocktails. Let me ask you, do you like people checking your internet history? I know I don't. Today we're going to make the Pornstar Martini. The Pornstar Martini was invented in Ireland by an Irish woman named Gráinne Ní Húllaigh in County Donegal, which is of course the French Riviera of Ireland. Here's a photograph of them side by side. Isn't the similarities uncanny? Despite the fact that one is north and one is south, there's no denying that they are eerily alike, both known for their motor racing, their very distinctive accents, and their all-round good vibes. I highly recommend checking them both out. Any one will do. The origin of the story goes that Gráinne had a friend by the name of Ira, which is Irish for Ireland, a clever play on words that is, who was filming an adult movie. Gráinne did not approve of this activity, however. It's Ira's best life and she decided to live it however which way she pleased. So upon wrapping the movie, the ladies went out for some drinks. Still feeling a little bit narky and snooty in the club, when Ira asked for a drink, Gráinne said, "That's fine." The barman said, "What does your friend want?" "A martini." "What sort of martini?" "Oh, I don't know, a bloody pornstar martini, I suppose." "What's that?" the barman said. Still, again, being grumpy and snooty, Gráinne said, "Oh, any old thing that you have." And the any old thing that the barman had was the following. This is how the drink is made. First, you're going to need a shaker with ice, and you will need 1 shot of vanilla vodka, you will need 1 shot of passion fruit liqueur, 1 shot of passion fruit syrup, and 1 shot of fresh lime juice. Mixed in a shaker. Now, this drink is actually served with a side of Prosecco. The reason for that was, upon returning from the bar with the drink for Ira, she said, "I just wanted a bloody Prosecco for bloody hell's sake." And so Gráinne went back in a temper and got the Prosecco. Ira then had the luxury of 2 drinks. We give this a shake until it's freezing cold. I like to sing, do a little dance, make a little love in my head while I shake this particular drink. And we let that settle for a moment. We shall now open the Prosecco. I have opened Prosecco on a video before. I shall do another demonstration of how to do it. This is very convenient if you decide to sneak Prosecco into a establishment such as a nightclub, bar or bingo. Turn it 6 times. Remove the cage. No, actually, sorry, leave the cage on. Place your thumb on top and twist the bottle. And just a small hiss. We will pour 1 glass of Prosecco. And we will follow that up with our Pornstar Martini. Here at No Nonsense Cocktails, we, as in I, sometimes embellish the facts of where these drinks came from or the stories behind them. However, should you wish to Google it, ducked in Ireland, spelled with an F, that video actually does exist. It's horrific. I don't recommend it, but I also do. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to drink this and clear my internet history. Farewell.